Hello friends, hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited for this video. So if you've been a subscriber to this channel, you know I love stuffed animals. I talk about Build-A-Bear, I do unboxings, I do reviews for stuffed animals. I recently talked about Squishables because I found them during the holiday markets here in Manhattan during the holiday season, and I bought a couple. I love them, but I was talking about Dr. Plague and how much I wanted that one. And I found him and I found the Nurse Plague, but I found them in two different sizes, so I thought we could review and then compare them because I didn't realize how drastic their size difference was going to be up until now. So let's get started with Dr. Plague. So this is Dr. Plague right here. Super cute. He feels so small now, but when I first picked him up before seeing the larger version, I thought this was a very reasonably sized stuffed animal plushie, and it still is. It's just $24, and you know, he's a great size, very huggable, very cuddly, very squishable, if you will. And there's also a version of the Plague Nurse that is this size, so that's $24. I got this, I think, in Bryant Park, the holiday market, because I also checked out the Union Square one, since Squishables did have two pop-up shops during that time period. And now that it's over, the only place I could get these is the mall, the Roosevelt Field Mall in Long Island, which is, I don't drive, so that's gonna be a struggle. So when I found the other one, I was really excited. But yes, this is super cute, $24, adorable, super soft, has the lantern, has the cutest little face, and it's cute, it's creepy, I like it, it's dark, it's fun. And now let's talk about the Plague Nurse. When I found the Plague Nurse, I had just gotten married and I was browsing through Barnes & Noble. Barnes & Noble has a lot of stuffed animals, like aside from the books and stuff, they have a lot of toys, a lot of plushies, a lot of like Pokemon cards and stuff like that. But I never expected to find Squishables there. It might have been that they've always carried Squishables and I just never noticed, but we were looking at these Pokemon toys and directly underneath it, I found the Plague Doctor, this size actually. I found a couple of him, I found a couple of this size, and then I found one Plague Nurse. The only problem was she was the large version. And here she is. She's a lot bigger. This was, I think, $55 at Barnes & Noble. If you have a membership, then you would get 10% off, which I did not. My membership expired, and I don't think I'm going to be renewing it. But she's a lot bigger than I had anticipated. I like the size, and for $50, this is an absolute steal. I think a lot of companies for stuffed animals this size price it a lot more. But it also kind of makes me feel like this should be a little bit less than the $24. But either way, I'm really happy with them. You can really see the size difference there. They're so adorable. They're both very cute. I really like the Plague Nurse just because, you know, she's cute. I don't know. It's kind of a weird concept, like the Plague Doctor and all that stuff, if you think about how it stems back in history. But it's adorable. It's beautiful. It has the same tag as the other one. It says Plague Nurse, and it gives you their social media handles. And it says she likes herbal tea, stargazing, tasteful scarves, astrophysics, gardening, and solving mysteries. Does he say anything like that? I don't remember that. Let me see. Oh, it does. Okay, so the Plague Doctor likes chemistry sets, romantic novels, reanimation, pumpkin bread, and uncovering secrets. That's adorable. So yeah, I think these are adorable. I think they're beautiful. So now, if I really want to complete the set, which is totally not necessary, it's the collector in me that thinks these things, but if I really wanted to, I would have to get the Plague Nurse in this $24 size, the smaller size, and then I would have to get the Plague Doctor in this large size. Again, I don't need to do that. That's a lot of space that these will be taking up. But yeah, I thought they were so cute. Like, she's adorable. Look at it, look at it, look at it. I just can't. I can't. This is like such fun stuff. And Squishables has just a lot of different cute items. And again, I'm not sponsored in any way. I did pay for these with my own money. I didn't even anticipate running into these. It was like right after I got married, like literally the day of, we went to Barnes & Noble's to browse, because Barnes & Noble's is one of my favorite places, or bookshops in general, I just really love. And I found her, and I'm so happy. But Squishables just has a lot of fun stuffed animals, like even just small ones that would make great gifts, like in the form of keychains, or like there's like little drink ones. They recently did an Instagram post showing like all these drink stuffed animals, and it's just fun. I think they make fun gifts, whether you're a little kid or whether you're an adult that loves stuffed animals like me. I think there's just something in there for everyone. But yeah, that's my review on the Plague Doctor and the Plague Nurse, at least the small version and the big version. I will have all relevant links down below if you want to pick them up for yourself. They do have promos occasionally on their website for free shipping or like 10% off if you sign up for their mailing listing. I haven't placed an order online yet just because I've been trying to avoid that, like the constant online shopping and like having things shipped, stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to hold out until I can either find it again in Barnes & Noble, whichever ones I'm missing, or just take the ride, get my brother to drive me to the Long Island one and just get it from there. If you have any stuffed animals you would like me to review, whether they're from Build-A-Bear or Walmart or Walgreens or anything like that, let me know because I am a sucker for it. I think they're so much fun and I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have any collecting tendencies when it comes to toys or stuffed animals like that, definitely share it in the comments down below. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I know things have been a little hectic with the wedding planning and all that stuff, but I'm officially married and now I can finally kind of dedicate my time into doing content that isn't wedding related. But if you do want to see more wedding related stuff, then I do have my whole separate vlog channel where I've been talking a lot about the wedding and kind of what went well and what went wrong and all that kind of good stuff and chaotic stuff. So if you have any requests in general aside from the stuffed animals and stuff, definitely also let me know down below. I would love to hear it. And I will have all my social media links down below. My Instagram is BunnyJanie and so is my Twitter. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I have to tell you guys, but I think that's pretty much it. These Squishables are adorable. They're going to be in my bed permanently from now on. My chaotic, messy room. Don't look too closely, please. And that being said, I will see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye.